Hey, it's a Meyervar back in the boat. I'm gonna start doing some tiling in here. Got two kinds here. Some vinyl tile. It's a mess right now. But yeah, I repainted it a couple days ago, about a week or so ago. So I'm gonna sweep up a little bit here right quick, then I'll get started tiling. Yay. Alright, I'm back, guys. I got it swept up real nice and good. I know that I got let's move that. The only piece I really see that I need to replace is this right here. But other than that, I think the rest of it looks pretty good. But this is what I had in mind. I got the two different tiles. Thinking about putting the wood type look right here where the table goes. I've actually got the post goes under, or post for the table goes there, but probably thinking about putting that there, just in that area, and just put the stone look, maybe that this little walkway there. I think that'll look good. Or maybe that. I don't know. I think what I had first I like better. Keep it like that. But let's see. I want to go ahead and put let's see. Go ahead and work this out to where, see what I got here. Start off there. Get it from there. Much rather start in the middle there. Yeah, or something like that. I think that'll look good. Alright, hey guys, got what finished up what I got here. Kind of getting dark. I don't really have much time for light, so I'm gonna stop here for the night. Hopefully pick it up later.